that want to reach their pocket. Where are we going? I don't know. They don't have what to give Biafra. They don't have how to move forward. A word or to do things to move forward. What they have in that table to talk about Ngozi Orabueze. Every day they sit down and analyze Ngozi Orabueze. Analyze her food step. Analyze how she drink water. Analyze how she rent over in Finland. She is capable to rent over. She is capable to buy car. Why is Adam bringing that to us? Because he has personal issue with the person. If you have personal issue to the person, it doesn't mean that the whole Biafra has personal issue with the person.
Truly.
I can have personal issue with you. It doesn't mean that we are bad man.
It will be between me and you.
Yes, it doesn't mean that you are bad man. Because you agree and I disagree.
That's all.
It doesn't mean that I will come out and start broadcasting that you are evil. You are decent. Ngozi Orabueze is not a Fulani when the PM make him COS. Ngozi Orabueze is not a Fulani when PM send him to South Korea. Ngozi Orabueze is not a Fulani when he declared Biafra, when everybody was confused, when everybody don't know where to go, where to come, we don't know where to do, what to do. She stood and stand. Redeclare Biafra. She's not a Fulani.
My brother.
Ngozi Orabueze is not a Fulani when she lead protest to go and protest in Finland. Ngozi Orabueze is not a Fulani. Now Ngozi Orabueze is a Fulani. When you look at the people that is the cabinet, the people that is what did you call it? Imported. That is not reasonable. That is looking for their own to reach themselves. He said, this is not going to happen to my own time. If in now they cannot tolerate it, if in Samareba tolerate it, I in Ngozi Orabueze, I will not tolerate it. It's not a bad thing. What are we saying? Why our people will no reason? Open all that. Look at yesterday fundraising. Imaginable.
That is it. That is it, my brother. Thank you so much.
The state that I have not had, I have never had them donate yesterday. Before that state donated yesterday millions.
My brother, I tried to make a silent count now.
My brother. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my brother.
Thank you so much.
There's a lot of people that is confused. Our people that is following these people. I'm sorry for them. Do you know why? I'm sorry for them because Samoneba is not idiot. Because sometimes the word that Samoneba said, if you leave it as you say, let the now they cannot come out. Are we going to stock one place?
That is going on. That's working on the ground, man.
Thank you.
That's working on the ground.
Are we going to walk in other ground?
My brother, thank you. Thank you. Allow other people to take, okay? Just 3 minutes. If you call, 3 minutes. And some of you that call, if I will return the call.